Good evening and a very warm welcome to all the doctors, nurses, survivors, caregivers, and all the volunteer members of the Taikan Foundation. I, Aziz Khan,
And I, Dr. Pritha Jinwala.
we welcome you all on the 10th National and second consecutive online conference on teenage and young adult cancers by the Taikan Foundation.
The theme for this conference is Life Before Cancer, Through Cancer, and Beyond.
We are proud that despite all disruptions and physical unsettlements due to the COVID pandemic, as well as long checkered career histories of our faculty, we have managed to conduct the annual meeting with unfailing regularity for the last 10 years.
This year, we are proud to involve several young medical oncologists as faculty. They have done their DM program at the heart of our foundation, namely at Indore. Being a DM resident myself, I hope to enjoy the similar privilege in future. We also take heartfelt pleasure in welcoming all the survivors who have always joined a national meeting and make it meaningful.
We begin the program with an auspicious note of lamp lightning.
Now is the solemn occasion to pay homage to our colleagues, friends, and family who have lost the battle to COVID. Amongst them was our leading light, role model, and a mentor to hundreds of us, Dr. G.S. Bhattacharya, whom we lost on 1st of May 2021. We'll be observing 1 minute of silence in their honor.
Thank you, everyone. Moving on, we are delighted to welcome our respected patron, Dr. Purna Kurkure, Professor Emeritus Pediatric Oncology and immediate past president of Taikan Foundation. Presently, she is the medical director of the SRCC Children's Hospital, Haji Ali, Mumbai, and the chairperson of the Collegium of Oncology Specialty in Narayana Health Group of Hospitals.
Dr. Hemant Malhotra, Professor and Head of the Department of Medical Oncology, Shri Ram Cancer Center, MGM Medical College, Jaipur. He is currently the Taikan President and an eminent hemato-oncologist of national and international repute.
Organizing Chairman, Dr. Colonel Prakash Chitalkar, Professor and Head of the Department of Medical Oncology, SAMES Indore, Vice President and Convener of the Taikan Foundation.
Organizing Secretary, Dr. Indu Bansal, Director, Radiation Oncology, Narayana Health Cancer Center at Gurgaon.
Scientific Lead, Dr. Runu Sharma, Consultant Medical Oncologist at Max Super Speciality Hospital, Dehradun.
Now, I request Dr. Indu Bansal to introduce the 10th National Conference on Teenage and Young Adult Cancer. Dr. Indu Bansal, please.
Good evening, everyone, and a very warm welcome to all the delegates, the participants, and the survivors and the organizers to this gathering of eminent professionals in the field of oncology. Yesterday, we had a very good session on advocacy, and today is the day second of this meeting. And this meeting, the theme is teenage and young adult cancers, and this is the 10th meeting in a row. So this foundation was laid by Dr. Chitalkar, who needs no introduction. And the aim was to focus on the issues which are faced by teenage and young adults, that is the cancer patients between 15 to 40 years of age group, because they have different challenges. They have challenges not just about cancer, but also they have challenges of survivorship, they have health issues, they have career issues, financial issues, psychosocial issues, reproductive issues, fertility issues, and so many more. So this age group is a totally different age group as compared to pediatric or adult patients. So this conference is basically focused to address on those issues and to carry forward the work which Dr. Chitalkar has been doing. So this foundation was started 10 years back, and it is more than 100 oncologists, more than 100 members, of which more than 70 are oncologists. And there are people from different diverse backgrounds and other fields as well who are helping this organization grow. They are working actively in Indore and also in other metropolitan cities like Bombay, Delhi, Jaipur. So I want all the audience who is here and who are not yet members of DIRCON to please participate and become a member of this foundation and to carry this work forward. Now, I would request the organizers to proceed with the proceedings of the meeting. And I once again welcome you all to this meeting. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Indu Bansal. Now I request Dr. Runu Sharma to introduce the scientific program of this meeting and perspective of the TICAN Foundation.
So, hello, good evening, everyone, once again, and welcome to the 10th National Conference on Teenage and Young Adult Cancers. As you are aware that the aim of our national conference held every year is to sensitize our young oncologists towards these new subspecialties and also have a platform where we can share our experiences and the scientific data on the TYA oncology. We aim to have a knowledge-based teenage cancer care pathways. And last but not the least, we acknowledge and recognize our teenage and young adult cancer patients' exceptional talent and experience. So this year, we have 3 sessions focusing on young breast cancers, thyroid cancer, and hematological malignancies. We will be recording all the 3 sessions and which will be uploaded on the TICAN website as well as on YouTube. Also, this year, we are conducting an exciting quiz for the young oncologists, and the winners will be entitled to handsome prize monies and perks, but only those who have attended the conference on both the days till the end will be eligible for the same. We also look forward to a hot debate topic this year on which is an interesting topic. And apart from this, we are also planning to launch shortly a comprehensive curriculum on TYA oncology for the professional survivors as well as the caregivers and the volunteers. So I request all the esteemed faculty members to stick to their time, and the certificates for the participations will be available for download from the My Account section of the TICAN website by the 5th of October. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with our conference day 1. And I hope everyone will enjoy this 2 days event. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Runu.